Good job. Do you want to play another game?
Sure. We don't have any more room.
What do we do?
What if we made a reusable wooden tic-tac-toe box?
Let's do it.
All right, so here's the material that we're going to be using. It's just some scrap 1/4-inch ply. We're going to do some measurements on it to kind of see how big we want this project to be. But first, the thickness, 4.7. As far as this tic-tac box goes for size-wise, I think I wanted it around 120 millimeters square on the inside. So we'll go ahead and enter that into Boxes.py. I think that's a good size. All right, let's get to designing.
So now that we're at Boxes.py, we're going to pick this 2-piece box that will hold all of the pieces for this tic-tac-toe. And we're going to enter all our measurements. And we'll download this as a LightBurn file that we can import. Now we're going to customize the box. And now we're going to create a grid that will define where you put the X's and the O's. Now we're going to add a text engraving to the top of this box. Now we're going to create the X and O blocks that will fit into the grid, which we'll be using a different wood for. Now we can add the text that we'll engrave. And there's our tic-tac-toe box design done.
Okay, so to engrave the other side with the O, first going to make a little cutout so I know I can place these all in the same spot and I know they'll be perfectly centered where they need to be. I'm going to turn down the settings on the original cut so that we can make a little mark in our blue tape, and then I can stick these all down in the same spot to mark out our O's. So because we're going to plan on using powder coat on this side, to kind of make it a little bit more distinguished. We're going to go ahead and mask this side before we laser the O into it so that we'll have a nice clean surface when we powder coat.
Wow, that was quick.
Yeah, the results are great.
Now we can play tic-tac-toe indefinitely.
No more wasted paper.
Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it if you liked it.
Like it.
Subscribe if you enjoy our content.
Subscribe.
And turn on those notifications so you get reminded every single time we post a video. Stay crafty.
And be happy.
Bye!